Every child grows at their own pace. But how do you know what's just a delay? And what might be a red flag? In today's video, we're talking about important signs of developmental delays you shouldn't ignore. From speech and movement to social skills and behavior, we'll guide you through what to watch for and when to reach out for support. This isn't about causing fear, it's about helping you feel empowered and informed as a parent. Developmental delays are when a child doesn't reach expected milestones in one or more areas of development, including communication, movement, gross and fine motor skills, social and emotional interaction, and problem-solving or cognitive abilities. Some delays are temporary or minor, but others may signal a condition that benefits from early intervention, which can make a huge difference. Some early signs to watch for include, by 6 months, not making sounds like cooing or babbling; by 12 months, not using single words like mama or dada; by 18 months, not pointing, waving, or using at least a few words; by 2 years, not combining 2 words or understanding simple instructions. Also, if your child stops using words they used before, that's something to note. Movement milestones matter too. Watch for by 6 months, not rolling over or holding up head; by 9 months, not sitting up with support; by 12 months, not crawling or pulling to stand; by 18 months, not walking, stiff or floppy muscles. If your baby seems unusually stiff, floppy, or uncoordinated, it's worth mentioning to your pediatrician. Social development is just as important. Keep an eye out if, by 3 months, your baby doesn't smile at people; by 6 months, doesn't respond to your face or voice; by 12 months, doesn't engage in peekaboo or interactive play; by 18 to 24 months, struggles with eye contact, doesn't imitate others, or prefers to play alone all the time. These signs may point to delayed social development or early signs of conditions like autism spectrum disorder. Does your child seem unaware of their environment or uninterested in exploring? By 12 months, not showing curiosity or trying to reach for things; by 18 months, not following simple directions or pointing to objects; by 2 years, doesn't play pretend or recognize familiar people or objects. Cognitive development is how children learn, solve problems, and understand their world. If something feels off, don't wait. You know your child better than anyone. Talk to your pediatrician, request a developmental screening, or ask for a referral to an early intervention program. Many services are free or low cost and can make a major difference in your child's progress. Every child develops differently. Some walk at 10 months, others at 15. Some talk early, others need more time. This video isn't about comparing, it's about noticing when something might need attention so your child can get the right support. Let's quickly recap 5 key areas to watch for developmental delays. Speech and communication, not babbling, talking, or understanding. Motor skills, not rolling, crawling, walking. Social engagement, no smiling, eye contact, or interest in others. Cognitive growth, not exploring, pretending, or problem solving. Regression, losing skills they previously had. Do you have concerns about your child's development? Share in the comments, or let us know what helped you take the next step. If you found this helpful, please like the video, subscribe, and tap the bell for more parenting support, child development tips, and expert advice. Thanks for watching, and remember, noticing early is caring early. You're doing a great job.